This is If It Fits It Rips, or my name's Jacob, my dad's name is Kirk. This is our YouTube channel for the most part, but today I'm going to be showing you my car before and afters. I'm getting tint installed on my car, which is it's going to be all my windows. As you can see, this is all factory tint, which is, no tint at all. 0%, I imagine. And obviously you can see right in. It kind of looks like a fishbowl to me, and I feel like everybody can see me. So I'm going to be getting tint that covers that little strip right there, all four doors and the rear windshield. I just got these done by a buddy of mine named Tyler. I think they turned out really good, and I just detailed the car so I can see a good before and after. But as you can see, inside it's pretty bland. You can see all the way in and out, but I'll make sure to record the second I get there, and I'll get you guys some before and after pictures that I'll put up probably right now, but I think it'll turn out nice.
What's up, everybody? This is Bryan Henderson, owner of Elite Window Tint and Detailing. Just real quick, jumping on the page, let you know that on Jacob's car we did 20% in ceramic. We also put a banner on there as well. Blocks 88% of your heat, keeps all the inside preserved, helps the AC work less. Ceramic's definitely the way to go, and the best or nothing, man. That's what we put on this car. So lifetime warranties. If you ever want them done, you can go on Facebook or Instagram at Elite Window Tint and Detailing, or you can go on elitewindowtintandetailing.com, located in Enola. So here's the final product, man. Looks good, came out nice. What do you say?
I think it turned out really fucking good.
Yeah.
If I had to recommend anything, tint is a 100% must do for most cars.
Absolutely.
It makes the car pop a lot more. It does find it there.
It's just one of those things. Yeah, and it's one of those things where it's like, once you get it done, you're always going to want on your vehicles, but you have to go to the right person. Well, here I am, guys. You go here, come find me, schedule. See you later.
So the car ended up out looking amazing with taillight tint and everything, and the window tint just makes the whole car so much better, in my opinion. So we got 20% on the windows. As you can see, it's completely reflective. You can't really see in. I mean, you can sort of see in, but this is business card right here. If it'll all be in the description, but he can be found on Facebook, and obviously booking through his website, where he's in Enola, Pennsylvania. And obviously right here, make sure not to put the windows down. That's kind of to be expected. And obviously, like he said, if any issues happen with his tinting, to make sure to reach out to him, and he'll fix any issues you have because of the lifetime warranty. But all in all, I think it turned out pretty great. I'll see you guys in the next video, and thanks for watching.